Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Well, today I'm going to try a bloom technique. I'm going to use an air compressor. I'm going to give it a whirl anyway. Okay, so I've got some pinks, orange, gold, green, some green. Put the orange first. So just a mixture of yellow and orange together. I think the orange is Liquitex Basics. And this is Rose Shimmer. It's a folk art craft paint. These are mixed with my pouring medium. There's some 24 karat gold by Deco Art. And this one is this little piggy Athenia. I got some green, so I'll put some green on top. It's a bit thick. I mixed a couple of greens together. One is Deco Art, Peridot, and the other one is Leaf Green, Artist Loft. It's some metallic too. Let's give it a whirl. This is Meeden air compressor. I wonder if I should make this into a simplistic bloom. Oops. No. Well, I haven't got this down pat yet, but I like the green around the edges. Well, I don't know. Lots of pretty cells there. Well, let's see what we can do. Maybe I'll Oh, that's good. Let's see what we can get out of this. Oh, it's like a simplistic bloom. There's a lot of paint on here. Let's just spin it. Less paint next time. Cool. All right. I think it's done. I'm going to leave it. Thanks for watching. I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Have a good day. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried tile. Dried pretty good. Look at that pretty gold shining through there. I love it. I'll resin this. And it'll be good. Thanks for watching.